Here we come to the elevator at the Metro Center in College Station, Texas. I've never been here before. And we got an ESCO, I think. I think this is an ESCO with GAL fixtures. Let's right, here we go. Focus. Oh, this is gonna be epic. It's got the old bumper. Yes, this is an ESCO. I was right. 2. GAL fixtures. I might go for one more ride on this. I love the relay. See if you can hear the relay. Oh, no, you can't. I'll just listen to the relay again. Back to 1. This was worth checking out. There it goes, and that's it.